guys, so today I've got the Clinique new Even Better Refresh foundation, which I am wearing right now. I've had a chance to try it out for a little over a week now, and so far really liking it. Actually, I put it on this morning, and I've been out and about in and out of the snow. I went to the gym for a little over an hour, got all hot and sweaty, and it still looked good. I didn't retouch it or anything. So far really liking it. Actually, it really reminds me of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light Hydra foundation. And I thought for sure that they were going to be dupes since Estee Lauder and Clinique are owned by the same company, Estee Lauder. But they're not, although they do have a lot of similar ingredients. But anyway, so if you like this, you'll probably like the new Clinique foundation. It's kind of a takeoff of their Even Better foundation, which was okay. Had a little bit of SPF in it. This one doesn't. But this one is very good if you have like a good full coverage foundation and have drier skin. It kind of goes on pretty easily. It sets to kind of a nice matte finish, but not too matte in a way. So it looks pretty nice on. It comes in 27 different shades. The shade I have is, let me double check, CN28 Ivory. So the shades are a little forgiving though. I actually was able to pick this one out online, having a good enough idea, and it's pretty forgiving. So if you don't find the exact right match, I think you'll probably be okay with the closest shade. But overall, so far really liking it. It does contain some good beneficial ingredients. Caffeine is in there, like in a lot of Estee Lauder and Clinique products. St. Paul's wort, niacinamide. So I've got some good ingredients in there. It's fragrance free, which is nice, but I really like the fact in this dry winter where it's been like -30 and like snowing like every single day, there's a lot of times when I put foundation on in the morning and then by the end of the day it's like cracked or it just doesn't look good. And this one really is very forgiving. So by the end of the day, my skin still looks like it did in the morning. So that's really nice to see, especially if you have drier skin or are facing winter challenge issues as well. So, so far really liking this one. If you're in the market for a foundation, I think it's worth picking up. Clinique foundations have always been, to me, I've never found one that was like a holy grail status foundation. I've never really found one that I really, really disliked. They've always just been okay to me. But this one is probably my favorite so far. So it's worth checking out. It's not ridiculously expensive. I think it's $32. So not ridiculously expensive for 1 ounce of foundation, but just be sure to wear sunscreen underneath it because it does not contain any SPF. Although if you picked up this one, it only has an SPF of 15 anyway, so you probably had to wear sunscreen under that anyway. So not a huge issue, but so far really liking it. Worth checking out if you're in the market. So those are kind of my thoughts on that. This week I've got some good reviews. I've got the new Peach and Lily cleanser coming up. Peace Out Dark Spots. I've been trying those out as well. So check out next week for those reviews. And check out my Amazon store. My shirts are finally ready. I'm making them to order. So definitely click the link below and order one and I'll make it for you and get it sent out. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much.